This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
What is bile juice? Bile juice, approximately 500 to 1000 ml of bile is secreted by the liver daily. It consists of water, mineral salts, mucus, bile pigments, mainly bilirubin, bile salts, which are derived from the uh, bile acids, cholic and chenodeoxycholic acid, and cholesterol. The principal bile pigment is bilirubin. The phagocytosis of aged red blood cell liberate iron, globin, and bilirubin. The iron and globin are recycled and the bilirubin is secreted into the bile, which is eventually broken down in the intestine. One of its breakdown product is stercobilin, which give feces the normal brown color. A small amount is reabsorbed from the intestine and excreted in the urine as urobilinogen. Bile is partially an excretory product and partially digestive secretion. Bile salts, which are sodium salts and potassium salt of bile acids, mostly chenodeoxycholic acid and cholic acid, play a role in emulsification, the breakdown of large lipid globules into suspension of small lipid globules. Now, what is gallbladder? The gallbladder is pear-shaped sac attached to the posterior surface of liver by connective tissue. It has three parts: fundus, this one, body, and a pouch and a neck, which is continuous with the cystic duct. This is cystic duct. The wall of gallbladder has the same layers of tissue as those described in the basic structure of alimentary canal, with some modification, like peritoneum. The peritoneum covers only inferior surface because the upper surface of gallbladder is in direct contact with the liver muscular layer. There is an additional layer of oblique muscle fiber in the gallbladder. Mucous membrane. This displays small ruggi when the gallbladder is empty and disappear when the gallbladder is distended with bile. Bile ducts which come out from the gallbladder and go towards gallbladder. The right and left hepatic duct join to form common hepatic duct just outside the portal fissure. The hepatic duct passes downwards for about 3 cm where it is joined by the cystic duct from gallbladder. The cystic duct and hepatic duct merge, forming the common bile duct, which passes downwards behind the head of pancreas. This is joined by the main pancreatic duct at the hepatopancreatic ampulla, and the opening opens into the duodenum at duodenal papilla, and it is guarded by hepatopancreatic sphincter or sphincter of Oddi. The common bile duct is about 7.5 cm long and has a diameter of 6 mm. What are the functions of gallbladder? Gallbladder's functions include reservoir for the bile. The concentration of bile is up to 10 to 15 fold by absorption of water through the walls of gallbladder. Release of stored bile. When the muscles wall of the gallbladder contracts, the bile passes through the bile ducts to the duodenum. The contraction of these muscles is stimulated by the hormone cholecystokinin secreted by duodenum in the presence of fat and acid chyme in the duodenum. Relaxation of hepatopancreatic sphincter. It is caused by cholecystokinin hormone and is a reflex response to the contraction of gallbladder.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.